Hello everyone, so in this video I'm gonna set up this collection section. So without further ado, let's move into it. So this is my previous section images, so I'm gonna remove them, all of them, so I'm gonna add the new one. Okay, so without further ado, let's do that. Okay, so first of all I have to go to the Canva. So I have taken the size 5 inch into by 5 into 500 into 500. So let's go here. So the first of all I'm gonna refresh my website first. It's the step number 1. So from here what I'm gonna do, basically I'm gonna go to this. Let me scroll down a little bit. Let's go top and this one. Okay, if I click the shop now, let's see where it's take me. Localize deal. Okay, from here I'm gonna take one of the best product. Let's select this one and let's copy this and then let's paste it into one over here. So I'm gonna set up into one over here. Okay, so let's paste it. Okay, so that's done. Let's click the save. Okay, so it's I'm gonna click the download. So same way I'm gonna let's set up this and then let's see how this is look. Okay, so that's gonna be first one. Let's select the image and then let's click the add file. From here I'm gonna go to the download and then I'm gonna select this image. Okay, same way I'm gonna do it for each one. So let's go again to the website and then from here I'm gonna go to the next one, which is this one. Let's go on over here and then from here I'm gonna take one of the more beautiful product. I think which one I should take. Let's take this one. Let's click on over here and I'm gonna take the images. So let's go here, let's select this and then let's see how this is look here. Okay, so as you can see that's good. Okay, so I think I need to add a black shadow. As you can see the text actually not clear. So if I make the text color, let's try to change the text color. Let's see what option here. Let's try to change the text color to black. Okay, so oh, there's no option like that. The option will be dark. Okay, so the text color will be dark. The white one is good, but I need to add the black shadow. Okay, so how can I do that? So let's click this one and then let's go to the opacity. Let's click on the color black. Let's go to the opacity. $75 is okay. So I'm gonna keep it like that. 75. Let's try to add that and then let's see how this is looks. So we need to test different way. Okay, so we need to understand then which one looks make more better. Okay, so let's scroll down over here. Let's drag and drop and then point it here. So yeah guys, so we need to wait for one more second and then let's see how this text looks currently. Yeah, this one is good. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it like that and then same way I'm gonna do it for each one. Okay, so let's go it, let's duplicate it and then I need to duplicate like that. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So I'm gonna duplicate like that. So just I'm gonna change the image. So now let's go to the website and then I'm gonna take this one and this image will be for localize women's scale. Okay, so localize women's scale. So I'm gonna paste it on over here. Those are the same image. Maybe let's go to the again website. Let's go back and then let's go to this collection. Let's try to add different type of product. Okay, let's see which one is looks good. Let's click on over here and let's see. Let's copy this image and then let's paste it into over here. Let's remove this one. Let's add it. Okay, so let's drag and drop and then let's organize that. Okay, that's cool. So I'm gonna change the opacity of the image. So let's make it a little bit 70. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so now let's move into let's change the name. Okay, so to do that, let's click on over here and let's change the name. Okay, let's copy the name and then change it to the Canva file name. Okay, so let's paste it. Okay, so let's duplicate it. Same thing, I'm gonna go back and then go to the home page and from here I'm gonna choose the next section name, so which is this one, women's new variables. Okay, maybe we already taken the section or maybe we did not change the women's new variables. Let's click on over here, localize the scale man. Let's paste it on over here So let's go here and then let's go to the localize scale. Let's click on over here, and from here I'm gonna take the photo. Okay, so let's see which one I should take. There are a lot of beautiful product, so I think this one is good. Let's take this one and let's see how this look. Okay, okay, let's take more beautiful image. So let's scroll down a little bit. Let's click on over here. I think this one is good. Let's copy that and then let's paste it into the Canva. So let's paste it. So let's organize it. Okay, okay, so let's change the opacity. Same thing, it will be 7. Okay, okay, cool. Zero, perfect. Okay, so this one name will be localize woman, so I'm gonna change the name. Okay, man's localize man. So let's add a new one. Let's go to the website again and then let's go back and let's see how to look that. Okay, so I didn't change yet this one. This, let's women shop all. Let's paste it on over here. So women shop alls. So I think I need to change the content size. Text size will be small. So same thing, I'm gonna do it for each one. Okay, so let's click on over here, small, click small, text alignment, center, the image text size small. Okay, so let's click on over here and then same thing, small. If I click in medium, let's see how this look. Okay, small is good. Okay, so let's do that. So let's move into the women shop all. Let's copy this name and then let's paste it into one over here. Same thing, let's duplicate it and then let's go to the next one. Let's man shop all. Okay, so let's paste it on over here. So let's paste it also on the, so that I can onto the Canva, so that I can organizely add. Okay, women's. Okay, let's go to the website. Let's go women shop all. From here I'm gonna choose the women shop all product. Let's try to take beautiful product from here. So yeah, that's pretty much it about women shop all. So let's see which one is good, which one looks good. Let's see, let's choose this one, this one, this one. Okay, let's take the image from here. So let's click on over here. This one is good. Let's go here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take this one and let's paste it into one over here. Okay, so let's organize that. I'm gonna change the opacity 700. Okay, okay, 70. Okay guys, now let's move into the next one. So I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna click on that and then from here man shop all, I'm gonna take one product from here. It's not too much product here, so let's choose man shop all. So let's choose couple of product. Let's see which one. Let's select this one. Let's see how this is look. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that and then paste it into the Canva. Let's paste it. Okay, so I will set up organizedly. So let's drag and drop. It's 500, 500, perfect. So it's time to change just only opacity 70. Paste it here. Okay, done. So I'm gonna download all of them. Okay, so I don't have to do anything here, just click on over here, download. So it will be download from into over here. So whenever those are will be download, oh, only have been downloaded one image, so no, all the images have been downloaded. So let's click the next one. Let's go to the image file and let's see, still didn't download. That's why maybe it's not showing here. First of all, I need to extract the image from the zip file. Okay, so let's extract. Okay, so if I go here and if I click, now I will see the design. Let's click on over here. Let's select all of them. Okay, so now I will see the website looks. So basically the second number image will be localize women scale. Okay, localize women scale, I'm gonna do that. And now localize men scale. Okay, let's change it. Let's click on over here, men scale. localize men scale, and then let's click women shop all. So let's go on over here, let's select it, women shop all. So let's do it for the men shop all. Okay, so same thing, men shop all, men shop all, men shop all. So I'm gonna choose this one. So let's click the publish, save it, so it will be automatically public. Okay, so guys, that's have been done. So now let's move into the next one. So here I will show all of my women's collection. Okay, so here I will show all of my women's collection. So let's go to the chat gpt, let's remove all of them because currently unnecessary. So guys, I hope you understand that exactly how to set up this kind of section on Shopify. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and in future what type of content you are looking for, let me know. And then also I will, if you need any help, just comment me, DM me, and then visit my agency website from the description, and then visit my description, and you will find how you can connect with me. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.